Hi everyone, welcome to the workshop one. My name is Lương Thu Phương. Um, uh, my presentation of HRM is Sunsilk, a brand of Unilever. There is some information about the Sunsilk brand. It's a company. The first one is a company field. A hair care brand that researches new product lines and produce hair care products for consumer. Uh, Foundation of this company is produced by the company Unilever, established in 1974 in the UK, with a staff and workers number of more than 11,000. The reason that I chose this company it is ideal workplace for me in the future. I think so. Move to the first question. How the function of HRM can help a company long-term profitability. The first function is staffing. Is the process of finding people with the necessary skill, talents, knowledge, and experience to fill a position in a company. HRM planning, job analysis, recruiting, and selection are all important procedures. About the workplace policy, um, promote promote a disciplined and healthy working environment, enabling workers to specialize in working, ensure fairness and continuity throughout the company. Next is training and development. Ensure that they are not only trained to do work, but also that they are able to grow and gain new ability while on the job. As a consequence, the productivity will be increased and employees believe that they are improving their ability, and so they will be more satisfied in the position and get higher retention. Retention, it entails retaining and inspiring people to stay with the company. Employees' retention is heavily influenced by the compensation. Dealing with laws affecting employment, HRM must be aware of all changes that occur and convey these changes to the whole management team. Worker protection generate a sense of trust and certainty among employees so that they are willing to work to the firm. The communication to improve the capacity to develop and collaborate inside the organization, promote togetherness among personnel. The awareness of external factors assisting the company in maintaining its viability and adapting to changing business conditions. Um, from the function dealing with laws affecting employment, um, rather than presenting a chapter focused on HRM laws, we will address the laws in each relevant chapter. There are three factors that I mentioned about the long-term profitability of the company. It is their internal and external social involvement, environmental preservation, and promote organizational success like profit and benefit. The third question is the how which function are most likely to have the biggest impact. I think it is staffing. Employees and workers are viewed as critical component in the creation of long-term value and corporate success. The main and most significant responsibility of the HR department is to develop high-quality human resources to achieve the company plans and operational goals, ensure staff performance is consistent and effective, ensure training and development, ensure that staff meeting the standard quality work in proper, complete manner, and ensure that staff equality is consistent to ensure that work progresses as smoothly as possible, and keep up with the difficulties and development in the corporate world. Uh, the third question is unique in HRM since you have the company long-term profitability. Um, Creating an HRM system that is simple to follow and effective. As a result, personnel will be able to maximize their own ability and potential while focusing on the company world operation and nominate representative. The second one is nominate representative of each department to organize meetings and discussion focusing on the improving and training personnel, the needs and the capacity building of the employees and recruiting future talents. The last one is organize many programs to change and develop talent to higher position at the enterprise to change in turn to become the official employees of the company. The four questions here is three competency that my company expect and gets. The first one is proactive thinking, second one self-discipline and sense of duty, and the last one is developing others. The last question, three competency that my company expect but does not get. The first one is quality orientation, role confidence, and aesthetic. Thank you, teacher, and everyone for listening to my presentation.